Good evening, everyone. I'm going to try to persuade you on why to not be one of these. How many of you have ever used your cell phone while driving? I'm guessing everyone has probably done so before. However, did you know that 1 out of every 4 accidents in the United States are caused by texting and driving? Texting while driving can be a huge, dangerous distraction. On today, I would love to persuade you all to stop texting and driving. I personally know people who has caused damage to their cars and other people's cars because of texting and driving. My cousin totaled her car because she ran into the back of someone to send a text that could have ended her life. Also, my sister was texting while driving because she was just doing so, I guess. But that caused her to run a red light that caused a 3-wreck car crash. And myself has also been a victim. Well, not a victim, I caused it. I was texting and driving, and I dinged my car up. So please don't text and drive. There are many problems and statistics that came with texting and driving. You should put your phone down while driving. You can achieve a lot when you stop texting and driving. But if you don't, how will you suffer? Let us begin talking about the problem. Texting while driving is a distraction. Using your phone while driving causes 3 main distractions. 1 being manual, because your hands are off of the wheel. 2 being cognitive, because your mind is off of the road. Thirdly, visually, because your eyes are off of the road. All 3 distractions are combined when you text while driving. Using your phone while driving, you will look at your phone, hold your phone, and concentrate on the text instead of the road. Now let's talk about why you should put your phone down. Driving and text is causing tragedies. You can kill other people. Would you want to kill someone? I don't think no one would want to do it. On the road, not far from his home near Santa Maria, California, Eric was killed when a teen driver traveling at 60 miles per hour struck his bike with her truck, according to the U.S. Department Transportation Flash 9 blog. Also, you can kill yourself by texting and driving. And I don't think anybody will want that. On April 3rd, 2013, Alexander Height, a college student in Greeley, Colorado, lost control of his car and plunged over an embankment due to texting and driving. Statistics of car accidents caused by texting and driving state cell phone use while driving leads to 1.6 million crashes each year. And I have a solution for texting and driving, which could be get one of these. They are at Five Below for $5. You just stick it on your dashboard. You don't have to touch your phone. You don't have to use it. You can just keep that up there, prop your phone in it. Back to the statistics. Nearly 390,000 injuries occur each year from accidents caused by texting while driving. Now that I have scared you a little, let's talk about a solution. As I showed you, this could be a solution. The main solution is to stop texting while driving. Ways to do this is simply wait until you reach your destination. Or if you have an emergency, simply pull your car over to send your text. The only time you should text and drive is when what you have to say is more important than your life, according to a Texas State University. And I don't think anything is more important than your life, so it can wait. In most states, including Tennessee, it is illegal to have your phone in your hand while driving. Visualize the benefits of not texting while driving. 1, you will be better concentrated. You are being responsible and safe. And if you have passengers, you are protecting their life as well as yours. Also, you can designate a texter because everyone can use an extra pair of thumbs. Don't forget, out of sight, out of mind. Just put your phone somewhere you can't reach it nor see it. Also, don't become another statistic. Distracted driving is 6 times, let me repeat that. Distracted driving is 6 times more likely to cause an accident than intoxicated driving. So, distracted driving is more dangerous than drinking while driving. Who would have thought? A texting driver is 23 more times more likely to get into a crash than a non-texter. And it makes sense because you are paying attention to the road and not your phone, which is what everyone should be doing. Now, let us recap on what all that was discussed. Today we learned that there are many problems that come with texting while driving. We learned why you should put your phone down. I gave you a solution as to what you can do if you are so addicted to your phone. You can get a little pop-up thingy. I showed you what happened to my own car due to me texting and driving. And this is what made me not want to do that anymore. And also, you can achieve a lot when you stop texting and driving. But if you don't, how will you suffer from that? I challenge everyone that does text and drive to put an end to it, like now. Remember, you can save your life and others by not being a distracted driver. So, let's put the phones down. Let's pay attention to the road. Yeah.